a cooking contest.
Dear students, our forest school will hold a food competition. You're all welcome to participate.
Wow, a food competition.
That's great. I want to join. I don't know how to cook.
Then we can join a tasting team. Ha ha ha.
Entries must be made by yourselves. The finished work is to be submitted to school before 10 a.m. tomorrow and graded by the students.
I'm sure to take first place. Please support me.
Wow, I'm going to make my best dish. Multicolored dumplings. Roll out a dumpling wrap first. And put it in a mold. Then put the dumpling stuffing in it and pinch tightly. That's one dumpling done. I'll make dumplings with dumpling wraps made of different vegetables. Yeah, my multicolored dumplings are finished. Now boil the dumplings, and then I can bring them to school.
Haha, I'll make a sushi bento. Make a rice ball first. Then cook the salmon. The first sushi roll is finished. I'll make shrimp sushi. A fish egg sushi. Finished! Now, put them in a bento box. Yay! My sushi bento is finished.
Oh, my banana pizza! It is burnt again. This is the 5th. Why is this happening? I'll try again. Huh? It's burnt again. It's only 5 minutes from the deadline. What should I do? Huh? I've got an idea.
The first food competition of the forest school has begun. Now, let's welcome the first competitor, Lily.
Hi everyone. My entry is multicolored dumplings.
It smells nice. It must taste good. Wow, so beautiful.
This is made of various vegetable juices and dough. Have a try.
Yummy! The one I ate must be made of spinach juice, as it has a strong spinach flavor.
You said it, Dun Dun Dragon.
Both nice and delicious. Wow, this is the first time I've eaten a dumpling with carrot filling, and it's delicious.
Lily's multicolored dumplings seem to be very popular. Now, let's welcome the second competitor, Bobo! What surprise will he bring us?
My entry is sushi bento. Have a try.
Wow, it looks so nice.
So refined. I want to eat a sushi roll.
I want to eat a fish egg roll. So delicious. Bobo, I didn't expect your cooking to be so good.
Pippi, why are you so late? What did you cook?
Oh, what I made is a banana pizza. Wait and see. The winner will be me.
Wow, it sounds unique. I've not eaten a banana pizza.
Let me show you my work. La la la, banana pizza.
Ah, isn't this a bacon pizza?
It's not a banana pizza.
Pippi, did you get it wrong? It's obviously a bacon pizza.
Huh? What happened? The delivery person must have taken the wrong pizza.
Takeout? Pippi, didn't you make this yourself?
This morning I burned a pizza. Then, hello? Is this pizza shop? Why hasn't it come?
Hello? This is your urgent order?
Oops, I'm going to be late. Hee, this is the takeaway I ordered. But I really made some banana pizzas home. If you don't believe it, you can go to my house and see the burnt pizza crust, which is all piled up. But since I'm already in the competition, there's no way I could show up empty-handed.
Oh, the pizza was burnt. So you ordered a delivery.
Whatever, Pippi. This is cheating, so I have to disqualify you from the competition.
Sorry, I know that was wrong, but come and have a try, everybody. This pizza shop's pies are delicious.
Pippi, you have tried to bake a banana pizza so many times without success. There must be something wrong. If you still want to make a banana pizza, I can help you.
I can help too.
Sure.
I'll make the crust.
Then I'll cut up some bananas. And then make the banana slices into the shape of stars.
Put the banana slice on the crust.
And add some vegetables.
Put it in the oven.
I hope it won't burn again this time. Huh? I don't smell anything burned. Yeah, it isn't burned this time. We made it. Add some tomato sauce and the banana pizza is finished. Wow, it smells nice. Come and try it.
The banana pizza tastes sweet. Yummy. After baking, the bananas are softer and sweeter than before.
I finally know how to bake the pizza. I was too impatient before. I turned the stove up too high, so I always burnt it.
Pippi seems to have found a way.
Now I can eat banana pizza whenever we want.
I can also bake apple pizza, pineapple pizza, strawberry pizza, and other pizzas. Lily, Bobo, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's finally time for the results. I will announce the winner of the first food competition of the forest school is
it me?
So nervous.
Sushi Bento! Congratulations to Bobo.
Thanks.
Congratulations, Bobo. I'll go back and practice cooking, and I'll challenge you in the next food competition.